Hello and greeting to the judging committee. This is Bini Sapkura and I am representing my entire team. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the idea that we have proposed, which is a AI image detector. So first of all, going into our problem, let's talk about what is the fake and how it is affecting our society and entire internet. Okay, so talking about the deepfake, deepfake is a technology in AI which allows the user or a user who doesn't have that expertise of building an AI model to create an image which looks like a real image but are not real. For example, I can easily create an image of KP Oli, who is a prime minister of Nepal, dancing in a bar, but in real, he was not dancing at the bar. So, so to solve this problem, and we think it's a serious problem because as I'm aware about artificial intelligence and how and what artificial intelligence can do, but my parents, which who are above 50 years old, are not aware about the technology, and and they can easily be fooled because of the artificial intelligence and the image created by that. So to solve this problem, we have proposed a solution which is AI generated image detector, in which the classifier will classify whether the image is AI generated or not. So now let's see the demo of the project. So for example, I have chosen two images. One image is the picture of a Bollywood actor Salman Khan, whereas the another image is from ChatGPT. And and first of all, let's see how it classifies. So right now we have two class. One is real and one is fake. So first of all, let's see how it classifies the image of Salman Khan. So here, when I insert the image of Salman Khan, it just classifies that it's a real image. Similarly, so when I enter the image of a dog which was generated using ChatGPT, then let's see what it predicts. So it predicts that it's fake. But our main idea is to develop an extension, which we can use in our browser. For example, when I'm using Instagram or Facebook, I can just use I can just install an extension which will just tell me whether the image is AI generated or not. For example, when I'm scrolling my Instagram, if an image comes and the extension will just give me a warning that the image is AI generated and whether I want to see the image or not. If I want to see the image, then I can easily see the image. But if I don't want to look at the image, then I can easily avoid. And this will help not only me, but my parents who are of the age and they can easily judge whether the image is AI generated or not. Now, talking about our competitors and who are currently working in this field, then these are some of the company which are Sensity.ai and Deepware Scanners and Microsoft Video Authenticator, and then after Reality Defender, Fake News Detector, and SurfSafe. Similarly, now talking about what makes us completely different from our competitors. So first of all, there are no browsers that classifies or gives the warning to the user that the image is AI generated or not. So right now we are just trying to develop a browser extension which will just pop up and tell the user whether the image is AI generated or not. If the image is AI generated, it will directly show the warning to the user that the image is AI generated and whether you want to look at the image or not. If the user wants to look at the image, then he can see. Otherwise, the user can directly avoid that. So the benefit of the product will be it will help to mitigate the problem of this problem related to cyber security. For example, the many people might get confused that whether that person is doing some uh, bad things or not. For example, recently there was an image of a mayor of Kathmandu Valley, Balin Saha, and the deputy mayor, Sunita Dongwal, kissing each other. But in real, it was just a fake. But the people who are not aware of the technology might think that okay, this okay, the mayor and deputy mayor has an affair, but in real, the news was completely fake. So, and for this, the social media played an important role to circulate that image, even though it was fake. So talking about the technical stack that we have used in this project. So first of all, I will be talking about the dataset. For the demo. We have just used a small dataset of the size of 5 GB, but from Kaggle, but in the future, we are thinking of just increasing the size of data so that we can just build more accurate model, and we can just keep up with the recent technology from Midjourney and other image generators. Now, talking about the AI architecture that we have followed, the AI architecture that we have chosen was a stream architect is a stream transformer, which is one of the recent technology and is used in and is mostly used in image detection. So the reason we chose the AI model or the architecture is because it uses a shifted window scheme, and then after the hierarchical structure, and they are more efficient compared to other AI models. Now, talking about the possible market for the product, so for now we have just thought that it will be used by our parents or a person who are not aware by of the technologies, and someone who is aware of such type of scam can install a extension to their browser, and it could be used by them. And the second person could be a policeman, and the third can be a news agencies. And for the policeman and for the police and the news agencies, we are thinking of developing a more advanced and AI model or a classifier with more premium features, which we can charge some money. And then for the social media, that as I discussed. Okay, now talking about the next step and the scalabilities. So we are thinking of increasing the size of the data, and then implementing more advanced AI model or architecture in our AI model. So that the model can be more accurate. Similarly, we are also thinking of using it in the social media, for example, Insta, Facebook, and it's our future thought. And we are thinking of having more accurate model, and partner with multiple news agencies so that they can also provide real time detection. Thank you.